teachers and pupils. Today is the beginning of our English month. I would like to this opportunity to share with you some of my views on how can you learn. Learning a language often requires both effort and time. You may have to double your effort and triple your time when you're learning second language. However, when you find that you are able to master the target language at ease, the satisfaction effect is beyond words. What I am referring to is, of course, English language. May I take this opportunity to appeal to all English teachers to speak to pupils in English at all times.
Today is the beginning of the English month. The English month offers you a great chance to experience learning English fun. It is high time to remind ourselves practice make perfect. I hope you will enjoy our English activities and speaking in English. I wish you friends in your study and the best of luck. Hi, our pupils.
In this coming month, our English session invite all colleagues to the interesting and exciting demonstrative lessons conducted by our experienced English language teachers, such as Hamidova Saida. She will provide a lesson about Kyrgyz prima ballerina to the 5th Z grade. The next lesson will be conducted by Nurmatova Nilufar. The theme of the lesson is At School for the grade of 3J. The next lesson will be about subject pronouns conducted by Mamadaliva Zulaikha to the grade of 5B. Afterwards, Orunbayeva Gulandan will give you information about life 4,000 years ago in villages to the grade of 9B. And then Abidova Yarqanoi will cover a lesson about clothes make the man to the grade of 6D. The last one, our young teacher Abdurrahmanova Nigora will conduct a class about rich people like pets to the 4th E grade. So, we hope you will enjoy our demonstrative lessons and interesting activities organized by our English language teachers. I want to take an advantage of this moment to congratulate our principal, teachers and my dear pupils. With the beginning of the first month of winter, we can see both teachers and pupils' effort during this online study period. I wish all of us to keep working hard and doing our best until we get achievements. All the best wishes to you, best of luck.
The English language is known worldwide from a language that we all call it. English is known everywhere. It is great to ask it anywhere.
Using English by everyone, speaking English is very fun. Don't be shy and show your greatness as it when showing competitive.
Good morning, teacher. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Bye-bye.
I hope you will enjoy all English activities and speaking in English. I wish the English month every success. Good luck.